So we still have major vacuum leak underneath the intake manifold. There's a big gasket and there's 8 individual runner gaskets. This car is never going to idle or run right unless this is fixed. It's no longer leaking from the injectors. We fixed that, but the problem has just moved on to the next path of least resistance. Here on the boroscope, we can see the seal there. And you can see it's kind of hard to see right now, but it's also leaking back here at the little round seals. The parts itself, I mean, it's just billowing out. Like, it'll never achieve idle at this rate correctly because it's just going to keep pulling in air from down there, and that's quite a bit of smoke. You can see it there. Anyway, yeah, so we have everything blocked off, but understand, to do this job, everything has to come off, so we have to pull the whole intake manifold out. Lots of stuff. You gotta disconnect the coolant runs, all the little bits, so it will be some hours, but this is the root of the problem. Also, we found a hack on JP's where they put a little restrictor plate in there to try to mask this problem, and yeah, that's not good. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely in the lower intake gaskets here, and then in the back, got it as well. Anywho, just letting you know, this is it's got to be done to get this right.